Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you, how to read the data from my Excel file using the UiPath. This video will be helpful for those who are new and beginners in a UiPath. Okay. So first of all, let me show you the Excel file. This is an Excel file, right? It has ID and name. So I'm going to read the data that is a column values of column that is ID and name. Okay. So let me explain you the code that have been used. Here you can see the Excel application scope in which I'm calling this data file, and I'm using this read range activity that is going to read the data from an Excel file and keep it in a data table itself. And we are going to make it as a DT data, that is a data table variable. Okay, and we'll make sure that this is add headers, that is by default. Okay, so whenever we use an Excel applications scope, we need to make sure that we close the Excel file in the background. So this is one of the best practices in UiPath itself. So if I click over here, you can see the output. It's workbook. It's a workbook variable name that I generated. Okay, and let me minimize it. You can see is we are just going to call a close workbook activity in which we are going to pass this variable workbook. I'm going to use a for each row data for each row activity. I'm going to use current row dt data as usual. You can say that it's displaying the current row ID and current row name. Okay, so let me execute as well. Bot has been executed. You can say its ID is 1. It's Gaurav. Again ID 2. Again its variable, its value is name Vijay. Okay, I hope you guys would like this video, and I hope like this video will help beginners and freshers who are new in UiPath. Stay tuned, I will be back with more videos. Kindly subscribe this video as well. Thanks a lot.